Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your current Apple ID email and password so you can authenticate. This prevents lockouts. Once done, back up your iPhone to iCloud or a computer because changing account details can affect data syncing. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and the battery is above 50%, and temporarily disable any third-party two-factor apps if they interfere. Then, open Settings and tap your name to begin the account edit. This is where the change actually starts. You now edit the email. Open Settings, tap your name, then name, phone, email. Next, tap Edit beside Reachable At and choose Add or change Apple ID so you can input the new address. After you type the new email, Apple sends a 6-digit verification code to that inbox. Enter it promptly to confirm ownership. Make sure the new email isn't already an Apple ID. Once verified, Apple will update account contacts, iCloud, and App Store associations, so syncing continues without interruption. Finish by confirming the change across devices. You may be prompted to sign in again on other iPhones, iPads, or Macs. Do that to restore seamless syncing. Make sure iCloud, App Store, and Messages show the new email. This prevents app purchases from splitting accounts. If verification fails, resend the code, inspect spam folders, or sign in at Appleid. Apple. Com to reinitiate the change. If you still can't verify, contact Apple support. Explain you changed the Apple ID email and need account recovery assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.